Hi, it's Heather here from Luxury Moon again. What I wanted to do today was talk to you about the latest menstrual cup that we've got on the shop, and that's the Hey Girls Menstrual Cup. And what I want to do is I want to unbox one to show you what you actually get when you buy a Hey Girls Menstrual Cup. So I'm going to show you the large one. There's two sizes, large and small. They come boxed in a really smart box, and this is the box. And if I turn the large one around, you get a picture of exactly what you're going to get in the box. So if I open it here, what you get inside, you get a really smart storage bag, cotton one, and if I open it, then what we get inside is we get the actual red menstrual cup, and we get a set of instructions. So we've got a cotton bag, set of instructions, and the menstrual cup. And it's, as I said, it's red. It's a really simple, well done design of the cup with a solid stem on top. The stem is 20 millimeters long. The cup is 59 millimeters long. So it's got a good capacity, and it's made of medical grade silicone. So that's the large one. And then if I open quickly the small one, what you get is a bit of surprise. You get a clear cup. A clear as the small. I've never seen this before in any menstrual cup, where the large sized one and the small sized one are different. Again, you get the Hey Girl logo bag, you get the instruction booklet, and you get the cup. And this one is a slightly shorter, but again it gets the same stem length. So you've got the stem to actually pull it out, or remove it if you need that, or else you can cut it off if you don't find you need it at all. So there you go. That's the Hey Girls Menstrual Cup. I'm delighted that if I look at the box, they tell you that if you buy Hey Girls Menstrual Cup, one is actually given to a UK girl or woman in need as well. So that's fantastic. So 2 cups are the price of one. You get one, and someone else who really needs one or is in risk of being in period poverty gets one as well. So that's great. And thanks very much for watching today. And I'll come back soon and tell you about one of our other products. Bye for now.